As we begin this guided meditation, make yourself comfortable in the chair and just allow yourself to become more relaxed. If you feel comfortable, you can close your eyes or have a downward gaze. And before beginning this calming color meditation, just notice how your body feels in this moment. Just try to pay attention for a couple of seconds. Do not try to change anything, simply notice how your mind and body feels. Feel your body begin to relax slightly as your shoulders drop a little lower, your jaw loosens, and your eyelids start to feel heavy. Take a deep breath in and hold, and slowly breathe out. Now just notice your breathing. Allow your body to relax and your mind to focus on this calming color meditation. I'd like you to create a picture in your mind of the color red. Imagine red of all shades. You might picture red objects, a red landscape, or just a solid color of red. Imagine all of the different tones of red, roses, bricks, apples, sunset, and just enjoy this for a moment. Now allow the color you are imagining to change to orange. Picture the color orange, infinite shades of orange, flowers, pumpkins, carrots. Enjoy the color orange for a moment. Now visualize the color yellow. See it in your imagination, all the various shades of yellow. Lemons, flowers. And just imagine yourself surrounded with the calming color yellow. Let the color you are imagining now become green and fill your imagination with this color green. Endless shades and tones of green, plants, leaves, grass, and just enjoy this for a moment. Now see in your mind the color blue. Different shades of blue, water, sky, and just imagine the blue filling your vision. Now allow the color in your imagination to become violet. Focus on the multitude of purples around you, flowers, sunrise, and just immerse yourself in the color violet. Now turn your attention back to your breathing and notice how calm and regular your breathing is now. Imagine the colors once again, one at a time, starting with red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet. Now picture whichever color you wish and imagine the colors that is your favorite. And allow your mind to be relaxed, focused, and calm, and just enjoy the feeling of relaxation you are experiencing. Now it's time to return your attention back to the room, become aware of your surroundings, opening your eyes and coming back to the present moment.